Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online lessons. In one of my classes last week, a student of mine was telling me that she had been reading about the fact that Australia is now banning all social media for under 16s. They're basically making it illegal for anyone under the age of 16 to have a social media account. This is because of fears about radicalisation, about cyberbullying, and so on. When she told me, my response was to basically say, good, about time too. We often say about time or about time too in response to something that someone else has said to us to show that we think this thing they're talking about should have been done earlier or should have happened earlier. So maybe a friend of yours tells you that their son has finally found a job. Whew, about time too, eh? You might respond. Maybe someone you lent money to in the dim and distant past suddenly comes up to you and says, hey, I've got that money I owe you. Sorry it's taken me so long. Oh, thank you very much. About time too. Maybe if you're waiting for someone and waiting and waiting and they finally show up, you might say to them, there you are. God, about time too. I've been waiting an hour here. Sometimes we also say not before time to mean the same thing. So you might say something like, hey, did you hear Julia's been promoted? And not before time, given the amount of work she's put in at that place. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues. And in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use about time or about time too.